Hello, and welcome to Mark's Excel Tips. Today, I'll show you how to find and use a grocery list template in Excel 365. Let's get started. If you find value in this video, please give it a like to help others find our videos. You can download this video tutorial as a PDF by following the link in the video description below. To start, click on File. On the left side of the screen, click on New. Click in the search box and type in the kind of template you're looking for, such as grocery list. With your search term typed in, press Enter, or click the search icon. Excel will show you several grocery list templates. Let's click on Grocery List. A window opens, telling you about the template. When you're ready, click Create. In just a few seconds, Excel creates your brand new grocery list, ready to use. Along the top, it automatically totals what you'll spend at each category of store. Once you've picked up an item, click the Done drop-down next to it, and select Yes. The whole row crosses out, so it's easy to see what's left on your list. To clear the Done column, just select the cells you want to reset, and press the Delete key. To add a new item, click into the blank row below your last item, and type in the item name, like bread. Excel automatically extends the table for you. Fill in the store, category, quantity, and unit price, and the totals update on their own. Use the note column to jot down extra details, like a coupon to use, or a specific cut you want. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.